Hey there. If statistics makes you a little nervous, when you hear the word, you get a little anxious. You're not alone. Nothing to fear, nothing to fret. You're in the right place. You're in the right class. My name is Dr. Randy Barbour. I'll be your instructor this semester for Statistical Methods, Social Work 730, and this is the part one. Um, I started right where you are. I was about 10 years ago. I started my PhD at Wichita State in community psych. And I was sitting in my first advanced research methods class and didn't really know what to expect. I was a little nervous, a little anxious because of my experience from undergrad. But when I got into the class, I had an open mind. I was really ready and motivated to really learn the material and to utilize what I learned to work on my master's thesis and then also work on my dissertation because I knew I'd need the concepts. By the end of the semester, I fell in love with statistics. I fell in love with research methods, and for and ever since, I've been teaching statistics and research methods because I know how important it is, and I realize that my presence um, and the experiences that I've had will help you. I promise you a few things. It's really not as bad as you think it is. I'm going to use plain language. We're going to use real life world examples that you will see in the social work field. And your attitude and your effort all go a very long way and are essential to the performance and your experience in the class and essentially the value that you get out of the class. We're going to have a really lot of fun. You're going to learn a lot, and you don't have to be a math whiz. You don't have to be good at numbers. You don't have to like math in order to be really successful in this course. You just have to put forth the effort. You have to have an open mind, and you have to be really and ready and be motivated to do hard things, to put forth effort to understand the things and the concepts that will be presented to you. So I hope that you come in with an open mind. But first and foremost, you got this. You've already made it thus far, and you'll make it to the end of this course really successful. So we'll see you very soon in class. And again, I'm hopeful to have a great semester. Have a great